A barrier still exists between men and women within the workforce. There is an unspoken double standard when it comes to females and males climbing that corporate ladder. A successful businesswoman elaborates on this for us. Anita de Groot owns and operates a business empire. She says men and women can learn from each other. So she highly recommends both sexes to attend the Women in Leadership Conference on Friday. There will be masculine and feminine aspects regarding leadership presented during the conference that applies to both genders.
I think it's important for men and women to understand what the benefits are in working together. Because it's not like women know everything well, men know a couple of things very well, and we could learn from them, and they could learn from us. And I think that's the key to it, start communicating with each other and try to really get out the best in each other, because then successful organizations will happen and you will have fun with it and at the same time, because without fun, it's not worth doing it.
Business events like these are vital everywhere, but especially for a small island when it is all about who you know and can contribute to your career tremendously.
Network building. You have to have a network, you have to know each other, you have to also be able to talk to each other. Because sometimes you feel that the only one who is having these problems or issues or challenges is you. And when you then find out there's more of you and that everybody has the same challenges, or somebody else can do something very well which you cannot do, then at least you know how to find each other. So
Anita acknowledges the sponsors who came together to make this happen. She says events like these are hosted everywhere in the world, but not all of them can attain as big as a turnout as the Women in Leadership Conference has been able to. So kudos to ATIA, CMB, and SATAR.
I think compliments are in order, because what you've achieved here with your sponsors is a large conference where over 500 people are attending, men and women. I mean, that's huge. And even in the Netherlands, that would be difficult to achieve because, it's quite challenging and daunting as well. So, compliments. And I think it's for Aruba great that they've taken this and taken it to this level.
And just a reminder, the Women in Leadership Conference is set for Friday, August 22nd. Call 582-7593 for tickets.